Wheesearchers, I'm Gabby, Wheesearch in-house beauty blogger. In today's video, we are celebrating Mother's Day. To do so, Carly Ann and I decided to recreate some of our mother's makeup look. My mother was in her 20s during the 80s and 90s, so I feel like this is why this makeup is so, you know, like vintage and stuff. I love you, Mom. One memory I have of my mom regarding makeup is not necessarily with my mom, even though I have like a lot of memories with my mom surrounding beauty because we like shopping for makeup and stuff, but it's more when I was like a teenager and I started like wanted to try on makeup, which I was around probably 15 or 14, 15 kind of thing, and then I would just sort of like sneak in her makeup bag, like in her bathroom, because I had my own bathroom with my sister and my mom had her own bathroom. And I remember seeing this bag, it was blue at the time, and I would just like zip it, and then you'd have like a pocket full of like the mascara and the eyebrow product and the eye product like eyeliner. Then you have like a pocket for the blushes, you have the pocket for the eyeshadow, and then a pocket for the lipstick. And I love the lipstick so much. Like I felt like blush was always like a bit too much, not really my style. Eyeshadow was way too complicated for 15 years old Gabby. But then I would really enjoy, you know, the mascara because that was easy, and then I would enjoy the lipstick the most. And I feel like this is why like lipstick, it's my favorite product of all makeup product, is because I started with that. And I would always go and sneak in her lipstick pocket and try different types of lipstick on my lips. And the funny thing is, I thought I was being sneaky. I thought she would never know I was in her bathroom, you know, trying her makeup and stuff. But what I realized a couple years later is because my mom and I have different way of applying makeup. So she will apply lipstick directly on her lips, which makes the tip of her lipstick very flat, whereas I apply the lipstick like my grandmother, my mom's mom, which is with an angle. So whenever I would apply it and she'd open it, she could see that the lipstick tip was an angle like this and not completely flat. So I was not as sneaky as I thought I was. You know, today it's a very funny thing because I have so much makeup because of my work, because I'm a makeup lover, because I like to get makeup, buy makeup. I get makeup for my birthday and for Christmas and all that stuff. And I have a pretty huge collection of makeup. I have a box, I have 3 boxes of makeup in my room. And yet it's always really funny for me because I will always go back to my mom's bathroom. My mom's bag, the size of it at least, has not changed. I have way more makeup than she does. My mom was like, why are you trying out my makeup? Like, you have so much more than me. And I was like, I don't know. It's just like, you know, I just enjoy like trying out what my mom does. A bit like I feel a little girl trying on her mom's shoes and walking around the house. So this is pretty much the little story I have to tell about my mom. And regarding makeup, I have so many more. We go shopping for makeup like every year. I do her makeup for different sort of like gala and, you know, cocktail and stuff. And actually, the thing that we really enjoy about Wheesearch is because I realized last year when I was doing her makeup for an event that, you know, her type of foundation and my type of foundation don't work, and they're not the same, because I tried it on her. It was quite expensive and I like trying her expensive stuff, and it was beautiful on her skin, and I tried it on mine and it was so oily. And there's also the whole like skin type, you know, like I'm in my 20s, my mom was a little bit older and stuff, obviously she's my mom, so depending on like wrinkle and skin texture and stuff, the makeup won't apply. So again, we have like so many stories I could tell about my mom and makeup, but you know, it's a short video, so I'm trying to keep it short here. So to everyone there here watching, I wish you a happy Mother's Day, and to my mom, I wish you une bonne fête des mères.